Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix login failed in Geometry Dash. So if you're trying to log into your account and you're getting login failed, even if you put the right details like your username and your password, try to first restart the game, just completely close it, and then look if the problem persists or not after you restart the game. Another thing can be your account verification. Maybe you forgot to verify your account, so go to the email that you sign in with, basically sign in or sign up with the Geometry Dash account and make sure to activate account here. If you don't see an email, press more here and maybe it went to spam, so look it here. And still, if nothing is working, then press forgot username or forgot the password, and then you will end up on this window here, and you need to put your email, and then you will get email verification, and then you can change your username on a password and log into your account. And after that, you should get a login success button and log into your account. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.